Is Windows failing to load because of the Winsock Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To begin the walkthrough for Winsock Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Winsock Library, a legacy 16-bit compatibility library for the original Windows Sockets API. While modern apps use WS232 DLL, this module is still required by very old networking tools and retro games from the Windows 95 era. Its absence prevents legacy software from initializing a network stack, typically reporting a socket version not supported, or Winsock initialization failure error. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If you see a mkzlib library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the localized zlib compression shim subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Winsock library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If you're still offline after the reboot, we need to clear out the corrupted network routes manually. Open Command Prompt as admin, then run these two commands. First, type nidtsh space int space ip space reset, then hit enter. Second, type nitsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, connectivity files manage the flow of data across your system. Resetting the network stack clears out stagnant routing table errors and refreshes the underlying protocol manifests. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for mkzlib library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Winsock library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Winsock library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.